Drawly learn to draw together, multiplayer or solo artwork. Growing in popularity app. Welcome to Drawly, where drawing meets friendship. Ready to have fun, get creative, and sharpen your art skills? Drawly is the most delightful app to learn drawing with your friends or make new ones along the way. Whether you're sketching adorable animals, anime characters, or quirky doodles, Drawly is the perfect place to express yourself and explore your artistic side. Drawly offers fresh, exciting drawing lessons each week, so there is always something new to discover and master. Invite your friends, join multiplayer drawing rooms, and cheer each other on as you complete fun drawing challenges together. Choose your favorite themes from cute creatures to cool cats. Dive into the friendless drawing community. Download Drawly now and let your art adventure begin. So here is just you have, so just double click to install it. And this is just the idea. Learn to draw step by step, find new friends. Uh, Nice, relaxing app. And then you can just see this is a horizontal app. So then you can create your account. A lot of onboarding here. So there is membership, 3-day trial, and then there is choose your first lesson, and then you start drawing it. So now you kind of want to repeat. Nope. So actually you need to do it like that. You can zoom in, of course, seamless like that. I mean, you obviously need to do it much more carefully, but it's super relaxing. All right, so you can change and then you can do like that. So yeah, that's kind of how you do it. And then you can see a percentage. And it's yeah, it's that's the idea of the app. Auto zoom, left-handed mode, hide your eye, skip step, then there is a next step. Then for example you just draw it like that. Quite relaxing. In the top right, as you can see, the progress is auto updated. And then yeah, just do it. Actually quite addictive, I must say. A really nice experience. Yeah, actually quite cool app. You can see, you can definitely see yourself upgrading to this app. So that's, and then you can just go and paint this. The colors are automatically applied for you. That's what you have. And then that's kind of your idea. Of course, you need to be more careful, but that's kind of what you might have. Yeah, so quite cool app. So check it out.